differences of spirituality in nature. Now look at this. The video is about fowl. As it goes on, you see a duck, and however you also see a cat. Look at these three animals. Now see, look at it critically. Now look at a fowl which is bathing. Let me use the grammar there, bathing. What does it use to bath? It uses the sand. This fowl uses the sand to bath. Okay, so look at it, how it is using the sand to bath. But this fowl compared to this duck, they are all birds. They are all birds. I mean birds that can fly. But the duck, which is also a bird here, doesn't use sand to bath, but it uses water to bath. You know, though they are all birds, I mean the fowl and the duck are all birds, but you could see at the first video that the fowl was using sand to bath, whilst this duck, which is also a bird, is using the water to bath. It means that even though they are all birds, they cannot use the same thing to do their spirituality. You understand? This bird, I mean the duck, is using water, so it has to do something with water, but the fowl uses the sand, even though they are all birds. I believe you are getting what I'm telling you. I'm telling you something deep and secret. So sometimes we are all human beings, but we use different things for spirituality to achieve result. You understand? So that is where you cannot say why we are all human beings. We are using spirituality. I'm doing direction. It is not working, and it is working for this person. It doesn't work for me. Even though we are all human beings, but our spirits are different. That is why you saw the fowl using sand to bath, but was using. Now look at the cat. The cat uses the saliva to bath. It cannot use water, and it cannot use sand. You understand? It is also animal. You know, you see, it's looking at it. It's looking at us. It is using its saliva to bath, but it cannot use what? The water to bath. As soon as you put it in the water for it to bath, you are killing it. So as soon as person you use some other spirit directions, or you use